Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile Tribesigns Portable Desk with drawers. A mobile laptop desk perfect for your home office needs. This innovative desk features a height-adjustable design, ranging from 27.5 to 41.3 inches, allowing you to find the perfect height whether you're sitting or standing, which is great for alleviating neck pain. Equipped with 360-degree rotating wheels and brakes, this desk can easily move to your sofa or bedside, providing convenient access to your laptop, coffee, and more, while the large drawer and open storage shelf offer ample space for your essentials. Constructed from high-quality particle board and a sturdy metal frame, this desk boasts a vintage wood look that is both stain and scratch resistant, ensuring durability and style. Its space-saving design makes it a multifunctional addition to any room, serving as a workstation, TV tray, or mobile end table for snacks and coffee. With a generous 31.5 by 17.7-inch desktop, you'll have plenty of room for all your work or leisure activities. Rest assured, Tribesigns offers an 18-month quality guarantee and friendly customer service, making this desk a reliable and stylish choice for your home or office.